Hello, my name is Alonso. In this video, I will tell you about a great opportunity to learn the secrets of affiliate marketing by promoting the launch of a high-quality shopping cart software. And here's the reason why you want to be part of this launch. Affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable business online you can get involved with because the returns can be as high as 6 or even 7 figures a month. And if you don't know what that is, affiliate marketing it consists in promoting and selling someone else's products or services in return for a commission, a percentage of the sales price. That means you can promote any product or service available on the market right now. You don't need to have a product of yourself to start with, and you can build an additional income source that works while you sleep. And the best part, you don't have to deal with inventories, you don't have to handle customer service, and you don't have to spend countless hours running your business. Now, you might think, okay, Alonso, that sounds all good and dandy, but where can I find products to promote? And that is a great question I'm gonna answer right now. The best product you'll want to promote is one of high quality, whose creators' credibility is in good standing and is also known in the marketplace. Like, for example, Mintbird. This is a shopping cart software that has been in development for the last 19 months by a professional team led by two renowned marketing legends like Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher. Based on more than 40 years of experience combined, Mintbird checks all the boxes for the best shopping cart software available on the planet. Chad and Perry over deliver, and here's what you get with this opportunity. You get the chance to win 50 grand depending on the number of sales. They will approve your affiliate request even if you're a newbie, and you'll have access to more high quality products to promote. And it's all free. But there's also two bonuses I can give you today if you click the link. Bonus number one, simple audio products, where they will teach you how to make simple audio products you can sell, you can give away, you can bundle with another products you promote. Bonus number two, access to the affiliate Accelerator bundle. Here they will train you to be a power affiliate and will provide you with all the assets and resources you need to become a power affiliate and promote their products and any other products you want to promote. All you need to do is click on the link on the description. And here's what's going to happen when you do. You'll be presented with a video where Chad and Perry explain all the details, including the instructions you need to follow before requesting affiliate links. It is important you watch it before anything else. You won't regret it. I hope you're excited by now and willing to click on that link. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the training.